The IBM Selectric I, introduced by IBM in 1961, was a revolutionary electric typewriter that transformed office typing technology. Instead of using individual type bars like traditional typewriters, the Selectric used a rotating and tilting spherical typing element, often called the type ball. This mechanism allowed the machine to quickly select characters and strike them onto the paper with consistent force. As a result, it reduced jamming and increased typing speed and accuracy. The interchangeable type ball also made it possible to change fonts easily. Because of its innovative design and reliability, the IBM Selectric became one of the most influential typewriters used in offices around the world.